One of the really good things about wooden boat restoration is being able to restore some of the hardware back to its original shine. So I'll show you some of the befores and afters while we're doing it. Lots of nice hardware. Beautiful. This to me is a beautiful old relic of the past and still has full use today. So I'm buffing the age off it and bringing it back to new. It's a beautiful thing. Here are some more cleats that I'm restoring. They're chromed bronze, so I'm going to take the chrome off and take it back to the original bronze, because all of the fittings on the deck will be bronze. And there are a multitude of fittings and features that are going to be on this yacht, which will all be brought back to almost pristine condition. I don't want to get rid of some of the little gnarly bits because I want the boat to have character. So I'm not looking to make them like new, but they will be nice and shiny and perfect for the job. And there she is. What a beautiful thing to work on.